Hello everyone, start off by taking two sections of the hair from the front, tie multiple rubber bands to it. Then at the back make two divisions and then clip it up. Taking the right section first, take two more sections and then make a braid. Do the same on the left and then interchange it. Add a rubber band. Next, make two sections in the front and make two ponytails out of it. Divide this into two sections each and then make multiple rubber bands out of it. Join them at the center and then tie multiple rubber bands once again. Join all of these together into one ponytail. This is what it should look like. You may add a decorative rubber band or a bow. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair off the front. Make multiple rubber bands and ponytails out of it and roll each of these sections in on each other. This is what it should look like. Once you are done with this, take the lower portion and then comb it. After you comb it, make a braid and then roll it upwards and add a decorative rubber band. For our next hairdo, take off the section of the top and then make a braid out of it. Roll it up into the shape of a bun. Once you are done with this, add a rubber band to make it fasten in place. Add a decorative rubber band as well. Adjust the rubber band accordingly. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair off the front. Tie a rubber band to it. Divide this portion of the hair into two parts. Make two more sections and tie a rubber band to it. Join it together, make a ponytail at the bottom. Divide the hair into two portions and then on one of the sides make four ponytails out of it. Braid the bottom and then interchange it with the other side and then tie them up as such. Repeat this until you reach the topmost ponytail. Braid up the ponytails as well and then put it into a bun. Add a decorative rubber band. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Take a small section of this ponytail and then use the decorative ribbon and then make a braid out of it. Do this on the other side as well. Interchange them and then roll them up into a bun. Add a decorative rubber band once you are done. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the front. Make two braids out of it after making a ponytail and arrange it as such, pushing one further and tie it up in place. Take a section from the back and tie a ponytail. Make two more sections until you reach the base and then tie two more ponytails. Join all of them together to form the bottom ponytail. Thank you for watching.